1. What's going on, guys? We're here with the late session today. Let me just lower the music. But it looks like we're having buys all day. Just turn this up a little bit more. So, who is still here? Who is still here? Drop a comment if you're still here. We're gonna see if we can get any more entries. We had an entry today, US 30 of course. We're gonna see if we can try to get one more. Squeeze one more entry in. Let's go. John is still in the cut. Overall, I do think we're still gonna buy. Maybe even buy now. Not dope, just perfect still here. Let's go. S Cash FX, what's happening? I think we're gonna probably go for a late quick buy from where we are here. Target this wick. This is just a quick analysis, by the way, guys. But let's see if this plays out. Fingers crossed. It's already pushing. DENZELFX, are you talking about me or are you talking about yourself? Are you in a challenge at the moment? I'm currently waiting for a payout at the moment. 30 days hasn't passed until my payout day, but I'm optimistic I will get paid out. I mean, the prices are really good. They're doing 60% discount and another Black Friday on buy one get one free. So can't really complain. Let's go. You bought a challenge today. What account size did you go for? We are bullish all day. This is a nice 1:3. Once price is about 1% in profit, somewhere here, let's just say 1.4%. Boom. We're gonna add an alert to go risk free. Gonna see if we can target these highs. But let's see how this goes. This is just a quick analysis. Literally quick analysis. Go risk free. On the 15-minute. Let's see what the 5-minute looks like. In case we get wicked out. I mean, on the 5 it's better if I just reduce my SL. But come around here. Should be Gucci. You got a 100K account. Let's go. To be honest, I'm a big fan of the 100K accounts, not gonna lie. They give you nice profits, especially once you pass phase 1 and phase 2. Like 1% is 1,000, you know? Which is lit, if you ask me. Even if you just pass phase 1 and phase 2, if you just keep making 1% and get payout every 2 weeks, like in no time you will reach like maybe like 10K, you know, compound that. That's just 1%, you know, but we try aim for like 1:3s and all that. So we are looking bullish. Yeah, we're still looking bullish today. So we had an NY session. I'll even just break it down while we wait for this trade to play out, I guess. We also had another trade actually on Jura 30 on Monday. And that trade played out perfectly. I'll show you the chart here. So we'll come back to US 30 in like 5 minutes. Let's jump over to Jura 30. Go to the 4-hour time frame. So yeah guys, so literally on Monday I shared a setup with the members on the YouTube membership, and this is a simple trade in my opinion. So to break it down, price made a new level of structure. If you can't identify the structure, it's simple. Hop over to the line chart. So what I saw before I sent him, I don't like calling it signal, but before I shared the setup was simple. There was a break of structure. Over here. So price made a new higher high. I was expecting price to come back to retest this break of structure, which lined up with my Fibonacci at the 6180 perfectly. And if I just quickly pan to the left and go back to the candles, we can clearly see we have an area of resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. So this is a nice, what we like to call supply and demand level. So yeah, the setup was set on Monday, prices above here. It dropped towards the downside and our TP got kissed. We were simply just targeting the 16,000 area, and that's been hit right now. If we were to continue to follow this, you know, if we are still in an uptrend, of course, there might be a second chance to actually take this maybe to the minus 68. But in the meantime, what you need to do is readjust your Fibonacci, like so. Maybe target the minus 27 of the fib levels here. You know, a nice setup. Something like this, I suppose. Just put the SL below here. In a situation like this, I will target, make it a 1 as a 3, and target the minus 68. So this will be like my second setup here. We'll see how this goes. Might not play out, but it's one of those setups, you know. So yeah, that was the setup we had on JER 30. What pairs were you guys trading this week? Let me know. We'll take a look and see. $35,315, $35,312. So yeah, let's head back over to US 30. Remove all these. I forgot which US 30 chart we were on. I think everything just deleted on me. I hate when trading me does that, guys. Why does trading me always do that? But yeah, our setup is literally this. We're targeting 35,312.50. That's where we're going to buy it to. So I'm not going to say guys enter away, but if you want to take this trade with me, I'm going to write it out to 35,312. That's where I think price is going to. We are bullish right now. I'll go back to the other chart. There's a lot of stuff happening on this one here. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try and target 35,312 area. Okay, I found it. Take profit 35, 12, 50, SL, something here. Usually my SL I want it to be a 1 is a 3, not gonna lie. But we'll see if price goes in the opposite direction. So once we are 1% in profit, we're good. But I'm just gonna align the TP with the top of this wick over here. So yeah, we do have a 1 is a 3. Something like this. So you already know, once this alert gets hit, 1% is already locked in. Looks like I'm frozen right now. As you can see, we're about to go risk-free already. Let's go. Alert. 1% in the bag. Looks like everybody had a good week so far. 82% people have voted they had a good week. Great stuff. So the next question, guys, is will US 30 hit our TP? It didn't hit it yesterday. Well, it hit our first TP yesterday, but our second position failed. So yesterday, I'll take you through what happened. We had sells. We were selling. My first sell position was somewhere here. Something like this anyway. I can't fully remember how the sell position went, but it was something like this. I took the trade in the morning. Then we had a second. No, sorry guys, that's today. Today's Wednesday. Tuesday. Where were we? Tuesday. Yes. Around here. Yeah, so the first trade I took was around 10 o'clock in the morning. Once NY session had opened, it had hit my TP, which was somewhere here. The trade looked something like this. I can't fully remember, but you guys can go check out the live stream from yesterday, I suppose, and you see that setup. Then we had a second setup, something like this. Took that setup, I think like 5 o'clock or like 4. I can't fully remember, guys, but yeah. Second setup was like this, and our target was 35,000, which is down here. Boom. And boom. So our first position already hit TP. Second position, I think we already went risk-free. Then yeah, coming up to ending of the session yesterday, price retraced a little bit and took us out, as you can see. But today is a new day. Today we saw price push up. It's still pushing. And now we have another position here. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's lit. Price is now retracing. maybe we might get taken out of this trade, guys. But as you can see, today we're already locked in 5%. So we got 6 people viewing. Everybody's just quiet today. What's happening, guys? What is happening? We got 8 people now. So what pairs is everybody trading this week? Just out of interest. And is anybody doing any prop firm challenges? And how is it going? Let me know. Long day, just chilling to the music. Yes, sir. I feel like the music sets the vibe. The music definitely sets the vibe. I'm just gonna go into the 15-minute time frame and show you guys something. If this trade does fail. So on the 15, this is the low, this is the new high. So obviously, like right now, we're entering at the top over here, but really and truly, like everything is showing that we are bullish. So even if we do get taken out of this trade, hopefully we don't, I can't see the actual opportunity being around here at the 61.80. But right now we're just trading with the trend. So if this fails, my second opportunity would be somewhere down here. Same targets. This will even be a 1:4. But you guys already know, we already got the risk-free alert, so right now we're just watching. literally just watching. And to top it off, this is really outside my trading window. Usually I just trade from 1300 to 1800 hours, so from 1 p.m. to around 6 p.m. is when I trade. This was at 8 o'clock. This is all for you guys, literally. It's all for you guys. Okay, the bears are here and they're pushing right now. The bears are literally pushing. We have a wick over here. Let's go back to 5. Price is going down. I'm Brazilian and I'm in this trade. Gabriel. Gabriel, how long have you been trading? And do you usually trade US 30? Let me know. So price is really playing around at this moment in time, guys. It's playing around. It was playing around yesterday as well, you know. One second it's bullish, you get excited, then it turns out to be a bearish wick. Either way, 1% has been locked in already. So this is just one of those trades. We're just watching right now. See what I mean? Like 1 second is bullish, you get excited, then it looks like this. Tony Gold, 100K account will change my life. I'm just using smaller capital till I make it there. Let's go. I feel like what you should do is basically whatever capital you're using, cash out $200 and then buy a 200K account, pass phase 1, pass phase 2, get a nice payout, 1, 2, 3%. That's 1, 2, or 3K, and just rinse and repeat the process. See, like right now, price just went bearish, 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 and it's probably gonna go out now. But either way, we're already locked in 1%. So we're not scared. Right now, we're just watching. Appreciate you, King. Let's go. So guys, with the way it looks, I'm going to jump into line chart real quick. So price is now making lower lows and lower highs, as you can see. This could be the impulse, this could be the correction. If not, there's one of two scenarios. Price can either shoot up here and continue to make lower lows and lower highs. This is scenario number one. Or price can break above, finally, breaking this structure, retest, and hit our TP. These are the only two outcomes. There can only ever be two outcomes when you trade, in my opinion. So this is the lowest point of our 5-minute Fibonacci. So on the bigger time frame, it would be nice to see price to retrace maybe here, but we'll see. Right now we're just trading with the trend. So yeah, those are our two scenarios. Scenario one, scenario two. Only one of them has to play out. What are we looking like right now? Like, we're still really bullish though, but then again, we're really late. We are really late with this entry and in this session right now. So either way, I do think price, whether it comes here or whether it comes here, price will hit our target. So I'm just gonna put the target zone and a big text over here. We'll come back to it tomorrow. price is now just frozen in time. We'll see what happens. But for now, I'm gonna come off camera. Be right back in 2 minutes. Maybe 4. But I'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. Looks like price is bullish again. For now. Okay guys, we're back. Looks like price is bullish again. For now. So right now we have a book. It is called Way of the Turtle. This is like another book, like Trading in the Zone, guys. It literally speaks about risk control and like all these other type of things here, you know, like for example, right now here, it's talking about the 4 types of market conditions. As you can see, it's going to be hard to read, but I'll just read it out for you guys. So you can have a stable and quiet market, you can have a stable and volatile market, you can have a trending and quiet, or you can have a trending and volatile market. So yeah. Highly recommend to read that book. So for now, we're just going to monitor the charts again, see what happens next. We're going to take a look at GU, no problem. Just give me 2 seconds and we'll jump into GU. It's a highlighter. So I'm just highlighting something right now. That's that sound. So I'll just read out literally what I just highlighted. So basically the book says you have to trade with an edge, manage risk, be consistent, and keep it simple. The entire turtle training, indeed, of the basis for all successful trading can be summed up in these 4 core steps. Manage your risk, be consistent, and keep it simple. That's it. Just one moment, guys. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, basically trade with an edge, manage your risk, and keep everything simple. The book is called The Way of the Turtle. This is like trading in the zone number 2. Highly recommend. So Anwar, if you're still here, let's go. Let's take a look at GBP USD. No problem, bro. No problem. So I'm not sure you guys remember, basically on the NY session with TFF, this is basically what we were calling price broke structure. It made a new higher high. Perfect, you're still here. So yeah, price broke structure, it made a new higher high. So all we're doing, you just draw your fib from the low to the high. This was found on the daily time frame. So on the daily low to the daily high, we look for price to come to our zone of interest, 6180, 7860, and we're looking to target the minus 27. So this is going to be a 1:5, 25 pip at sell. Right now the trade is currently floating 1.4%. So if you already know, these times we already have our SL, a break even, taken at 1%. So overall, I do think we should be bullish for the time being. I don't see why not, why price would change that. I could draw another trend line like from this point to this point, but we want to keep it clean, and we don't want to have too many things on our screen, you know, because too much noise can literally mess up your bias. So I'm just going to remove that second trend line. We don't need it. So we'll see how far this pushes up. Hopefully TP gets hit. So we'll see. Any other pair you want to look at, Anwar? Oh shit, sorry, music is too loud. Okay, I'll explain that one more time for anybody that didn't hear me, Anwar, especially you. So basically, like I said, before I continue, let me know if you can hear me now. Just type yes if you can hear me. Man like Josh, what are you telling me? Okay, Anwar, so you can hear me, right? Perfect. So yeah, back to what I was saying here. So basically we found this entry on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, literally If we go to the line chart, guys, we can clearly see there was a break of structure. Boom. Like I said on the NY Live, I'm expecting price to retrace and then push towards the upside. So this entry was found on the daily time frame. As you can see, it's a 1:5 that we're trying to target. So even now, if we jump into the 4-hour time frame, and like I said already, this trade is already 1.5% in profit. Already gone risk-free on this one. Even on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like price made a higher high, higher low, higher high. And usually when price comes right back to the bottom, call that a double bottom. So there is another chance price could actually push towards the upside from where it's at right now. So this is for the people that want to trade on the 4-hour time frame instead of the daily. All you got to do is now just adjust your entry from here to where it's at over here. Same target. Maybe reduce your SL. 18 pip SL. You have a nice 1:6. We'll see how this goes anyway. So we're gonna go back to US 30. I do believe we should be in profit now. Well, back in profit. So US 30, let's go back to the 15. So we already know what the target is on US 30 on the 15-minute time frame. We are targeting 35,316 at this moment in time. Price is bullish all day, so SL nearly got hit, but we're already up 1.4%. So we're just gonna follow this, see where it goes. And yeah, trying to target these wicks above here, which kind of lines up with our Fibonacci on the 15. So yeah, that's what we're on right now, guys. So yeah, we'll give it maybe 5-10 more minutes, see where this goes. Then it's time to hop off the live and I'll catch you guys on the flip, which should be NY session tomorrow. So yeah, so let's just see if we hit our TP or not. I believe the TP might get hit. Maybe not today, but probably tomorrow. And if you guys got any other questions before we wrap it up, just type it in. Any pairs you want to dissect real quick, type it in. Because markets are quiet right now, so now is the best time before London and NY tomorrow. Price is very slow right now. Very, very slow. Josh, let me know if you're still here, man. Let me know if you're still here. Alright, so Josh, I got a book for you still. Not sure if you're here when I'm showing the guys. So this book is like Trading in the Zone 2.0. A lot of people actually don't know about this book. It's called The Way of the Turtle. It's actually kind of wavy still. Got a nice little thing there. And yeah, like I only started reading this book, but it talks a whole lot of good stuff, man. And one of the last things I was just reading was literally understanding the 4 different market conditions, as you can see over here. Boom. So I'll just quickly explain it to you. We got stable and quiet market conditions. We've got stable and volatile. We've got trending and quiet and trending and volatile. I'm back testing the day whilst watching. Let's go. Everybody got a back test, guys. Back testing is like doing your homework, although you don't want to do your homework. So yeah, Anwar, it's called The Way of the Turtle. Funny enough, I was not the one that discovered this book. It was my lady that discovered the book still. So yeah, she put me on. Man, I've lost count of how many books. Probably around 25 books. There's a few other books I've read, but I haven't got the actual book. I read like an ebook. But yeah, a lot of books still. John, thanks for joining. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, my guy. The only limit on knowledge is the one you put on it. Facts. Literally, everybody has a limit. Everybody puts limits on things. But if you remove the limit, man, the sky is the limit. Literally. I'm gonna take a quick look at GJ, guys. We did an analysis 2 days ago, or yesterday. Let's see what price is looking like right now. So we actually did this analysis on the live stream, and it is pushing. Right now, 3% has already been in the bag. But this setup was simple to find. Literally, if you hop into the daily time frame, here's what we had saw. Higher high, higher low. Now we got this. On the 4-hour time frame, we saw this wick rejection, price is struggling. What happens next? Price now pushes towards the upside and it's still pushing. If we hit our daily TP, that is literally 8%. That's one challenge done. But we'll see where this goes, guys. Literally, we'll see where this goes. We did this on TFF live stream, so you guys can go watch that, come back, and we take it from there. But yeah, this was defo a nice setup. So 88% of people voted US 30 will hit our TP. So let's give it 88% US 30. Let's go back to US 30. So 15. We hit a nice one before NY open. So yeah, right now price is doing nothing, guys. Literally, it's doing absolutely nothing. We'll give it 5 more minutes.
I wonder where everybody used to do it.
5 more minutes. Try it on. Let's see what the watch list is looking like right now. We are still bullish. Still bullish. Yeah, we'll give it 3 more minutes. Because market close is actually approaching at the same time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to session breaks. So we can come back to this. That's the break-even trade we took. And another trade, boom. So we go to 1 hour. So this was the lowest point of the day. And here was the highest point of the day. I'm dropping a little gem for you guys. Then the second highest point was up here. So even if you draw a fib from here to here, this trade has potential to go to here. So target 1. So we'll call this target 1. And we have target 2. We're going to call target 2 35375. 53. So yeah, guys, we'll see where this goes. 35375. So this could be a 1:7. But like I said, guys, we'll see. Right now, price is retracing. Not really surprised why it's retracing. We are at the top levels here. We're at the daily high level. Boom. 30-minute time frame. Price is acting up. But we did have a break of structure here. Slight break of structure here. So hopefully, I'll just remove this, remove this. We'll just go for the first target. 1:3. So these are the two targets we're going to leave here. So price can shoot. Anyways, gang, thank you for joining today. I will see you on the flip side. Peace.